In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell music online with Shopify. We'll walk through creating a clean product listing for your track and connecting a digital delivery app so customers get their files instantly after purchase. Keep your Shopify dashboard open as you follow along so you can build this in real time. Start by opening the Shopify website and head to your dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click Products, then click Add Product. This creates a fresh product page where your music will live. Give your track a clear, memorable title, something like Non-Stop Acoustic, so listeners immediately know what they're getting. In the description field, write a concise but helpful overview. Mention the vibe or genre, the intended use or audience, and any key details such as track length or included versions. If there are usage rights or licensing notes, summarize them in plain language so buyers understand exactly how they can use the music. Next, upload some images that represent your track. Album art, a branded cover, or a simple waveform-style graphic works great. High-quality visuals help your product stand out and build trust with potential buyers. Scroll to the shipping section and uncheck the option that treats this as a physical product. Because this is a digital item, disabling shipping ensures customers won't be asked for a shipping address or charged for delivery. While you're here, optimize for discoverability by adding relevant tags and keywords. Use a mix of genre, mood, and use case terms. Think acoustic, instrumental, background music, or study playlist, and refine them to match your niche. Also review the search engine preview and tailor the title and meta description to be readable and keyword rich. To deliver the file automatically after purchase, install the Sellkite app in your Shopify store. You can find it in the Shopify App Store. Once Sellkite is installed, return to your product page. Open the More Actions menu and click Add Digital Product. This option appears after the app is added. Follow the prompt to attach your music file to the listing. Choose the final, high-quality version you want customers to receive and keep the file name neat and descriptive so it's clear to buyers. When everything looks good, your title, description, cover art, shipping disabled, SEO tags in place, and your track attached through Sellkite, click Save. That's it. You now have a polished digital product set up to sell your music on Shopify, complete with automatic delivery for a smooth customer experience.